Hello guys, review POCO M7 Pro, this 5G version. Open box, look complectation. In complectation we have a SIM card key, cable and protected case. That's all complectation, okay. And now talk about device. We have powerful Dimensity 7025 Ultra, 5000 mAh battery, 120 Hz refresh rate, IP64 dust and water resistance. Okay, green color device, double camera on the back side, on this side power button and volume buttons, without controls on this side, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM cards, headphones jack, turn on device, open settings, about phone, Xiaomi Hyper OS we have and Android 14. Okay, open tests, Geekbench 6, results, good results we have, GPU test results, not good GPU test results, and look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark results. Okay, PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Let's see this. I show you gameplay. Game load and graphics. We have medium graphics. Okay, very good. Gaming. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see photos. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.